Hey, welcome brothers to my channel, Mr. Azib. I hope that you are well. In this video, I will summarize all the previous predefined function interface, so predicate, function, consumer, and supplier. So, I will make these properties. What is the purpose, interface, declaration, the abstract method, default method, and static method for all of them. Okay, so I predicate, command, predicate. Also here I have function, consumer, and supplier. Okay, so let's cover all of these properties for each one to make the difference. So let's start with what is the purpose of predicate. Predicate, we give him an input value, is to take an input value and to check some condition and we return Boolean value. This is the purpose of predicate. Function is to take an input value and to perform some operation and return any type of value. Okay? Now, consumer. This one is only one it. Remember. Consumer. It takes an input value and it performs some operation, but it returns anything. It returns nothing. Nothing. It returns nothing. It's void. Supplier. It doesn't take any input value, but it's volunteer. It gives us a return value with any type this value. Okay? Now, the second element that we want to get is interface. It is an interface. So, for predicate, we have this interface prototype, interface, predicate with t input value. Function. We have this interface, face function with t input value and r for the return value. Consumer interface is like this. Interface consumer with t input value. For the supplier is like this. Interface supplier with r return type, just like this. Okay? Now we'll talk about the abstract method. What is this? Only one abstract method in each interface. Predicate. It is, remember, test, like this. Boolean, return Boolean, test, and we give him t-type value. Function. What we have an apply abstract method. And we give him t type as input value and it returns r, any value, any type. Consumer. What is the abstract method? It is the abstract method of the consumer. Do you remember? Is accept. It has t-type input value, but it returns nothing, void. Supplier, which is abstract method, is get without any input value, but it returns r, any type of value. Okay? Now, let's talk about what is the default method. Predicate. What we have? We have and, or, and negate. Okay, to join between predicate, chaining, predicate chaining. For the function, we have and then also compose. Okay? Sorry. Consumer, what we have, and then. And there is no default method in Supplier. It's poor. Poor. Volunteer, it's poor. So let's continue. Now we talk about static method in each interface. Predicate. What is the static method? Is equal. Okay? For the function, what is the static method? Identity. Okay? And for consumer, there is no static method, and the same thing with supplier. There is no static method. Okay? I hope that you have understood this fourth interface. Okay, now you'll be more comfortable. Just I repeat, practice, practice, practice. It's the only way to be familiar with this new concept or new interface, predefined functional interface, and all the new features. Okay? If you don't practice, you will go anyway. Okay? Practice please, and see you on the next video, inshallah, to continue on another topics. Thank you a lot of ones who follow this course until this moment. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends. Take turn to my website, you can get a lot of coupons for another course. And also we have a lot of good things. Make a tour. See you for the next video. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.